have sat here for probably 15 minutes trying to film this intro and it's just not going well. So I'm just gonna jump straight in. I'm doing a hair tutorial. I don't normally do these and I don't know why because I'm a hairstylist. So I probably should do them more. I don't do them often. I will definitely work on that more if you guys actually want hair tutorials. But in today's video, I'm trying the Amika High Tide Deep Waver tool. I have not been able to find like a big waving crimping tool like this in a very, very long time. If you guys remember, Target had one like this for like years and years that everybody used, at least in my high school they did. And then they just kind of stopped selling it. And so I found this and I've heard some people on YouTube talking about it and I wanted to try it for myself. I really like Amika tools and Amika products. This isn't sponsored at all. I just found it today when I was shopping for my clients and I have their Amika Perk Up Dry Shampoo. I don't really have much of it left, but I'm gonna be using it in today's video. I really like this dry shampoo. It's been my go-to for the last couple weeks. And then I also have their dry Silken Up conditioner or something like that. So I really like that one as well. Everything that I've tried from them has been absolutely amazing. So I have high hopes for this baby right here. I think the reason some people have said they didn't like it was because their hair is shorter. And I would think with how big these barrels are, their hair would kind of go outwards rather than like down if you do have like longer hair like I do. So this is my natural hair. This is what we have to work with today. Very flat, just very straight, boring how it usually is. Lovely. So if you guys are interested on seeing me try out this tool right here, then let's just go ahead and get started in today's video. I'm gonna go ahead and plug this sucker in. While I'm waiting for that to heat up, I'm gonna put in a heat protectant. I'm using the Caviar Perfect Iron Spray Heat Activated Moisture and Protection. I'm just gonna go ahead and spray that everywhere. If you guys don't use a heat protectant, I'm cringing. It's not good. While I'm at it, since this is third day hair, I'm gonna go ahead and spray my roots with this dry shampoo. I moved my camera down so you guys could actually see what I'm doing to my hair. So I'm just gonna clip up the rest of my hair and just leave down a little section of it. So I'm gonna take, I don't really know. Okay, I'm gonna take like a big chunk like this. This is scary. Okay, and just clamp it in there like that. And then just kind of keep moving it down, like hold it there for a couple seconds and then keep holding it down. I can't wait to leave this town, 'cause lately I've been feeling down. This is the first piece done right here, so I'm gonna go ahead and just continue on with the rest of the bottom section. Nights just don't feel the same. So I just took down another section of my hair and I'm just gonna keep doing what I'm doing. The only thing I'm having troubles with is just kind of figuring out like where the last clamp went, if that makes sense. Like this is like a 3 waver, so I'm trying to figure out where the last where the third one is, just to make it like even waves. But I guess that's not really the point of this, to make it all like perfect and even. It's like a beach waver, so. I forgot to mention in the beginning of the video, if you guys are interested in this makeup, I actually did film a tutorial right before this, but I think I'm gonna upload this video before I upload the makeup tutorial. So I will link that as soon as it is uploaded if you guys are interested. I'll leave that down below in the bio or description. That one turned out really good. That's like a perfect, that one's a good one. As you guys can see, I've just continued pulling sections down and this is what it looks like so far. And now I'm just moving back onto this side. I'm literally doing the exact same thing and just moving sections and working my way up the hair. So I'm just gonna put everything in fast forward. I just finished up waving every single piece, so now what I'm going to do is just flip my head over and make it a little bit more messy by shaking it out, and then I'm just going to spray some hairspray on it. This is just the Osis Plus by Schwarzkopf, so I'm going to flip my... So this is my hair all finished up, and I can honestly just like flip it if I want to, or I can leave it parted right in the middle, but I think it looks good either way. I'm actually really loving how this turned out. If you guys have really flat or straight hair, then you know how much it sucks just to have the same hairstyle every single day. So having this much volume in my hair is like crazy right now. I'm probably gonna wear my hair like this for like 3 days, especially since I just put this dry shampoo in there. I'll put it in there for the next couple of days as well, and I'll be set to go. I love how this turned out. I think it's gorgeous, especially once the waves settle down too. I think it's super beachy, super cute. I love it. So there you guys have it. That is my tutorial using the Amika High Tide Deep Waver. I hope you guys enjoyed this. And if you have any other requests or anything, go ahead and leave them down below. I hope you guys did enjoy this video, and hopefully I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye guys.